Lego episode number 12. Boom, boom. Boom. Hi. We're in a war right now against the British. So, be careful. Dun 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 dun. I like to move it. You like to move it. We like to move it. Hoo, 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 hoo. You like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to chatty move it. I like to chatty move it. I like to. Ow! Okay, so go. Sir, we went over to the enemy's base, and we saw what happened. They were getting ready to charge at us. They were getting ready to do what? Charge at us, sir. Okay, I'll go get our men ready. Captain! Yes, sir. Get our men ready. Why? The British are getting ready to charge at us. Yes, sir. Sir, I can see them in my binoculars. Get ready right now. You can see them in your binoculars? Yeah. Yes, sir, I can. That might be a problem. Sir, we've got a big army. We've got a big army, too. Got some tall guys, some little guys, but we don't have that many. So, that could be a problem. So, okay, in the next hour or two, I'll have to go talk to the men. Oh, sir, I think I can see him coming. You can? Yeah, I can. 1 hour later. Bam, bam, bam. Sir! What do you want? What? We have one man down. Where? Right there! Go get him! Sir! What? Are you okay? Oh, no. I'm gonna die. So it doesn't matter. Sir! We lost him! Sir, I just got Copy that our army is ready. Go over there. Okay, men. Today we have an important job. It's going to be very important. We're going to load up on boats, cars, all sorts of things. So y'all better be ready or you're going to get in trouble. And you know what kind of trouble I am talking to you about. The trouble that's not so good. So, we're going to take a short break. We're going to be building our cars and our boats. Okay? Yes, sir! Thank you.